Another great blend that you can make with Bohemian Breakfast is a mix between Bohemian Breakfast and Lucid Dreams. Now, Lucid Dreams is turmeric, cinnamon, tulsi, ginger, cloves, all of the good spices that really help reduce inflammation. And the thing about turmeric as well is I don't really like the flavor, but when you blend it into a chai, the way we did with this blend, what it does is it really brings out the chai spices. They cover up the yummy, good for you turmeric, even though it's not delicious, it's actually good for you. And then what you do is you blend it with your Bohemian Breakfast, which I'm gonna use this little pouch. And my friend Suzy originated this blend. She loves Bohemian Breakfast blended with Lucid Dreams. So basically I used half Lucid Dreams, half boho. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just steep them together. And there's some magic that happens alchemically when you steep teas together. So the pu-erh black tea really dances well with cinnamon and ginger. And the turmeric also does really well with black tea. So if you're wanting to get your turmeric in for anti-inflammatory reasons, but you're like not loving the flavor of it, can you tell I don't really like it? I'm like, not really, but it's so good for you. This is a great way to basically bury the flavor into a delicious iced latte. So we're gonna go ahead and let that steep for a minute. And look at that. Wow, this is the teapot that never ends. This is the bottomless teapot. Okay, there we go. So you can see that infusion, how rich it is, and it's gonna steep strong. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and let that steep for like 5 minutes. And if you wanna throw these in a cold steep, you can do that too. But with spices, you really wanna extract the essential oils. And so the gingerol, the ginger essential oil and ginger, it's better with a hot steep, and same with turmeric, I find. So we're gonna go ahead and then we're gonna do something that Suzy does, and we're gonna add some organic grade B maple syrup. And then we're gonna add some organic, regenerative, organic certified USDA organic almond milk. So you can see sort of the orangey color from the turmeric, but we're doing a really good job burying it. Okay, so then what you can do is you take your little concentrate latte and you pour it over ice. And we sell this teapot, this iced tea steeper now on the website. Isn't that fabulous? It's got the strainer built into the lid, which I love. Okay, so because it's gonna be Year of the Dragon, I've gone ahead and gotten a dragon glass here. And so what's lovely about this blend is you're getting blood sugar balance from all the cinnamon, you're getting anti-inflammatory wellness benefits from the turmeric and the pu-erh tea, you're getting digestive help from all of that, you're getting ginger, which helps with nausea, and you're getting tulsi, which is an adaptogen that reduces stress. So you're getting a little hit of caffeine from the pu-erh and the Bohemian Breakfast, you're getting all the anti-inflammatory spices, then you're getting tulsi, which helps calm your nervous system. It's delicious. So thanks to Suzy for sharing her blend with us. You can go ahead and go online and order Lucid Dreams and blend it in with your Bohemian Breakfast for an awesome anti-inflammatory iced tea latte.